Hi and welcome to our channel with a new video. Every single one of us is surrounded by an atmosphere of thoughts, with each thought carrying its own frequency. Scientists have actually measured this, and thought has its own frequency. I like to refer to these thoughts as the driving force behind the law of attraction, through which we are either attracting or repelling. Basically, we draw back to us that which we center our thoughts and feelings around most. Whether you're aware of it or not, the law of attraction is always at work and shaping your day-to-day existence. The following are 2 fundamental steps for applying the law of attraction effectively and manifesting your desires. Before moving forward, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Step 1. Accept responsibility for who you are and where you are. One of the key principles in using the law of attraction and purposely manifesting your desires is to acknowledge and pay attention to these thoughts, and to accept that we are each responsible for our own reality. I would go as far as to say as accepting responsibility in your life and for your actions or outcomes is the most important step in making the law of attraction work for you. Once you come to the realization that you are the source of your own reality and not subject to a defined reality, you can adapt your way of thinking and really start to make the law of attraction work for you. For many, this is oftentimes difficult because we become accustomed to our own system of belief, which is years of our past experiences. It's all too easy to live in the past and blame past events for our misfortunes, but they are past events, and should be left in the past. Think instead of the present and the future, and be grateful for the good things going on in your life, as you will be sending out a much more positive vibe. Step 2. Aligning yourself to manifest your desires. The second most crucial step to apply the law of attraction is to fuel your desires with a passion. You've probably watched the film The Secret, where they state to use positive self-talk and visualization techniques and show gratitude for the present outcomes in your life and not to live in the past. However, it's all well and good using these techniques, which do indeed work, but if you lack the belief and imagination, then they will amount to nothing. Your dreams and goals are fueled by desire, belief, and imagination. No matter how big your desire seems or how unattainable, you need to overcome that barrier in your mind that holds you back from truly believing this is achievable. Whenever using such techniques as visualization and positive self-talk, try and involve all your senses. Only your imagination holds you back, and once you learn to really connect with your desire on a mental level consciously, you'll slowly imprint this belief subconsciously, which is key. Also, pay close attention to your feelings and emotions when using such techniques associated with the law of attraction. How do you feel when you visualize your desires? How do you feel when you use positive self-talk? Second only to thoughts, your feelings and emotions play a huge part in using the law of attraction and naturally attracting back to you that which you desire. Focus on your goals and ambitions, not your worries. This again can take some practice, especially if you're experiencing a difficult phase in your life, but the vibe you're sending out will, of course, attract that back to you. Your entire reality is nothing more than a manifestation of what you're thinking and feeling on both a subconscious and conscious level. The world's highest achievers understand that the only limitations they set are the limitations within their minds. Really step outside your comfort zone and dare to imagine what others believe are beyond their capabilities. Feel the desire with a passion and fuel it on a daily basis. Remember to be grateful for what you do have and not what you are wanting. Otherwise, you're radiating a vibe of need and want, which of course will naturally attract back to you. Check out the links in the description box below to learn more advanced law of attraction techniques. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and you will be notified when putting out a new video. Thanks for watching it.